Hi, my name is Ben Baker from Jumeirah Golf Estates branch. I'd like to welcome you to this luxurious, freshly built, fully upgraded from the ground up, 5-bedroom villa based in Sundials, Jumeirah Golf Estates. Let's have a look around. Okay, so just to give you some information about this villa, it's located on a plot size of approximately 10,000 square foot with a BUA approximately 8,700. 5 bedrooms, all 5 bedrooms are on the first floor. It consists of 3 levels, obviously with a basement, ground floor, and all the bedrooms being upstairs. So let me show you around. I just really want to kind of point out some of the quality that potentially the camera can pick up here. But this villa, it has a very neutral look, very calming, peaceful. It's very homely. But some of the finishing we've got inside, travertine walls, finished obviously with natural wood. All the furniture we see in this video is bespoke, individually made specifically for this villa. This room also has, if you come inside, quite, we call it a home cinema, snug room. So it could also be converted to a 6-bedroom if so desired. What's quite interesting about this villa, there's a lot of obviously smart systems. This one does have the auto smart system, but it also has a intercom, which is quite unique. So if you do want to contact, family or staff that are working in different rooms, then you'll just access that through the intercom room to room. Maybe sons that don't want to answer and things like that. So quite a good little perk to have for this villa. Okay, so moving through, we have a guest powder room, just to have a look at some of the finishing. Arabescata marble, all the bathrooms, and within the kitchen, which we'll see later. And then direct access to the garage, which you can Okay, so let's go through, we'll cut through now as we move through the house. As you can see on the left-hand side here, we have a office space stroke study. Again, travertine finishing. Travertine you're going to see throughout this villa, obviously, so I want you to keep mentioning it, but it's here. Now, obviously a big talking point of most people like to use, they love to have a lot of storage space. So straight through from the office, is a whole room just dedicated for additional storage space. Everything's floor to ceiling, natural wood finishing. Right, okay, so moving through the villa, we're going to go through to the wine room next, but just to point out here, all of the walls are natural veneer walling. We also have real leather and brass work, a mixer where hopefully you can pick it up on the camera. And again, travertine throughout. So natural veneer walls, real leather on the wall finishing here for example, with brass work. And it just gives you an idea of the actual quality and thought that's gone into actually renovating this villa. We can go through here to the wine room, tasting room, little party room. This villa does come sold fully stocked. Again, just to look at the quality, Arabescata marble kitchen. This actual villa is catered for a chef, someone that loves to cook. We have 2 kitchens in this property. We have the show kitchen here with, as you can see, Siemens appliances, 3 ovens lined up. So this would be obviously the show kitchen, moving through with a cooker tap system, hot and cold water on tap. And then moving through to the chef's kitchen at the back. So obviously if you want to prepare all the important stuff before you bring it out, this is where it would happen. Again, all natural veneer finishing. 3 more ovens here, so there's plenty of ovens, 6 in total, 2 hobs. So if you're going to keep your hands, you can keep yourself busy, basically. Okay, so that covers the ground floor. Let's go upstairs and have a look at the bedrooms. Okay, so 5 bedrooms on this level. Let's go into the first guest bedroom. Okay, so let me take you through to the main guest bedroom. Again, same theme throughout the villa. Real leather on the walls, travertine finishing. But what's quite interesting, this could even be a master bedroom the size of it. We'll see the master bedroom after. Within the main guest bedroom is this nice little area here, which is a makeup room, you know, get ready. Obviously you've got floor to ceiling cupboards within this room, and you've got a little smart system here while you're getting ready. You've got a phone charger, which you can just plonk your phone on, it will charge automatically. Phones, you've got plug sockets, you've got USB sockets, HDMI and a network cable. So you're pretty much covered to be entertained while you're getting ready for wherever you're going on the evening or lunch. Let me show you into the bathroom. Again, travertine finishing everywhere. I'm repeating myself. Arabesque marble within the bathroom. Come through, have a good look inside. Walk-in shower. Okay, so now that we've finished with the guest bedrooms, let's go through to the master bedroom. As you can see, everything's been designed for storage space as well. So there's lots of storage space here for him and her. Floor to ceiling cupboards. Moving through here into the master bedroom. Again, travertine, built-in TV. And then with the master bedroom, quite a nice view here of very private settings of the park. And we have the JG golf course just over here as I'm facing, as I'm looking. Moving through to the ensuite area, again, another makeup area, get ready area, we would call it. Again, natural veneer walls again throughout. Moving through to the ensuite, marble finishing, beautiful bathtub and a huge shower, lots of space. Okay, so let's go downstairs to the games room in the basement. Okay, so coming into the games room here, fully fitted, as you can see, same theme, real leather finishing on the walls with the brass finishing, travertine throughout. Built-in fridge here to put your cold drinks. Lots of storage space. Okay, plus we have what's quite nice here. We've got a little outside area here, so in the cooler months for a little area to have a little drink outside. Okay, so moving outside to my favourite part of the villa. As you can see, travertine everywhere. Beautiful quality. Just to let you know, we're actually at a European standard build here. It's arguably one of the best builds throughout the villa that I've seen since the last couple of years. The pool is huge, as you can see. Engulfs obviously the back area. It's a resort style pool. Plenty of seating. A swim up bar, as you can see here. We have a sunken area, sunken fire pit, sunken area, seating area as well. And then we have the barbecue area. Moving through. Again, everything's been thought of, travertine finishing, fully functioning barbecue, a fridge, again, to stock up with your cold drinks. Okay, so that concludes my tour of this luxurious 5-bed villa in Sundials, Jumeirah Golf Estates. If you would like to view this property, please contact me on this number below.